Good evening. What you've recently seen a while ago is the video from the past ROX Ride Out event. Of course, through the years, it's always been in partnership with Fox Racing. So that's why we are here to formally announce to you the upcoming Ride Out event of ROX in 6 key cities nationwide. Next slide, please. So, ano ba yung Ride Out? So, the Ride Out event actually has been an event of ROX for more than 12-13 years. And it aims to gather around the two-wheel riders for a community ride. And it's a day of safe and fun ride together. So, we all know naman that after pandemic, so may direct hit sa atin in terms of this community, no? And now we're doing this to rebuild the community of our cyclists. So we're doing this to gather everyone, especially the local bike groups, to provide a venue for them to have fun, gather together, and catch up. And with this event, actually, we would like also to bridge the gap between, ito yung mga sabi nga natin, meron tayong mga beginners or those who wanted to, or interested to be, to try the event. And of course, ito nga, sabi ko nga kanina when I met the Fox, KOLs and influencers, sabi ko nga sa kanila, guys, for the Manila leg, hopefully you can attend and support para you'll get to know also the community of riders. So, again, the Ride Out 2024 will happen in 6 key cities. So, we'll have one in Manila. We'll have 2 from Luzon, which is Baguio and Olongapo. We'll have Cebu, Cagayan de Oro, and Davao. Next, please. So here are some photos from the events from the previous years. So that's a simultaneous event happened all throughout the Philippines. So baka may mga pictures kayo dyan. Okay, so again, this event is in partnership with Fox, and we're working actually with the different malls nationwide. So for the date, just take note of the date, but eventually soon we will formally announce the opening of the registration for each area. So, how can I be part of the ROX Ride Out, Fox Ride Out? So, soon we will open the registration via the ROX community app. And here are the shirts as part of the inclusions as you register. So, okay, so there are also mga perks for the event. So, as mentioned kanina, it will be a fun ride, a recreational ride for the community. So, there you go. So again, I think that's it. I'd like to see you all sa mga Ride Out event natin in